Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to walk through how to tag and segment contacts in ActiveCampaign in 2026. To begin, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard, click on Contacts in the left-hand menu to view your full list of contacts. To add a tag, start by selecting one or more contacts using the checkboxes next to their names, then click the tag button at the top of the list and either choose an existing tag or create a new one by typing in the name and hitting enter, which will instantly apply it to those contacts. Now for segmentation, click on Segments in the left-hand menu, then click the Create Segment button to open the segment builder, where you will give your segment a name like newsletter subscribers or recent buyers. From there, you can set your conditions by clicking Add Filter and choosing criteria such as tags they have, forms they submitted, or deals they have won, which allows you to build a very targeted group of contacts. Once your conditions are set, click Save, and ActiveCampaign will automatically update that segment in real time, showing you exactly who qualifies. You can then use that segment to send targeted emails, trigger automations, or run specific campaigns to the right audience at the right time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I will see you in the next one.